What's up, guys? Ivan Ghana here. Welcome back to a brand new video for you guys. Today, guys, I just came back from school today and I saw these big trucks, and I want to show you guys these machines and stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys the machines. So, guys. So we're gonna start with these. So I think you know. I mean, I feel like that's like permanent. But yeah, guys, this is not like girl. Like good. Like look, it's like lighting. It's like lighting up. Like it's literally lining up. Like it's like pointing there and here. I don't know why, but yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the machine here. So we have this machine. We have this one. It's a really big machine here. I love the machine. It's really nice, really beautiful. And I just love the machine. And yeah, guys, y'all know this machine. I think it's like my favorite machine. So yeah, guys, this thing is my favorite. So yeah, it's my favorite. And yeah, so until we're done this one, let's go over here. Let's go over here. Okay, guys. I might need to turn on my flashlight, who knows, but yeah, guys, let me go ahead and show you guys. So, we have this big thing here, and it looks kind of big. It looks really big. I think I like this thing. Oh, okay, I have to remember, do not come over here. But yeah, this machine is really good, guys. Look at this thing. Look at that. Really good. Like that machine, this thing, I think it's a machine, but I think this thing is really good, and this is really good, right? It has like tester, you know, Okay. Oh wow, that is ew nasty. Look at that. Look at that. That is like so gross. And look at the inside. That is like so gross. But yeah. Oh my god, it smells. But yeah, I think there's only supposed to be like two people on this thing, on this machine thing. And let me see. And yeah, they have some lines. They have some lines. But yeah, let's check out this thing. Let's just check it out. Yeah. Oh wow, we even have this. It looks really cool. But yeah, and oh wow. Yeah, we have this. Oh, we even have the grass. But yeah, and we have this one. It looks pretty good, right? I mean, it looks pretty good. No reason. It looks pretty nice. I will say it looks pretty nice. And then now we have this one. Wow, guys, I wanna tell you guys something. Guys, these things are really nice. Like, just take a look at this. Like, just take a look at them. Like, you know, like, just take a look. Like, just take a look. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Like, just look at that. 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 I mean, I will say that is, like, pretty nice. But, I will say this one, it looks pretty nice, I love the details. Yeah, everything looks nice, guys. Everything looks nice. I love the details of this. Yeah, guys, let me show you guys again. We have this one, and then we have all the way here, all the way, all the way. Look at this. Look at it, guys. It looks so nice. Like, it looks so nice, guys. it looks so nice because this is something special, guys. I want to record more videos. And yeah, guys, this is 3 more videos. I really love it. And yeah, I came back from school and I saw this. So yeah, I don't know why, but I don't know what to do. I'll give you guys an update. But yeah, I'll give you guys an update for tomorrow. And then I'll come and record. Yeah, guys, I'll give you guys an update tomorrow. Yeah, guys, that's it for the video. And it is always peace, guys. And yeah, like I said, I'll give this a big thumbs up. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. And as always, oh my gosh. Okay, sorry guys. Yeah, it is always pieces out.